Hello. I'm back. Whoa, this is the second day. Okay, I'm on the road. I'm delivering as promised. Hope you guys are having an amazing day. Hope you're staying safe. And I hope that you are blessed. All right, here is video number 2. We're going to do a dessert. And there is a reflection in my glasses. I don't know if you guys can see this. But anyway, we're going to do an apple pear egg roll drizzled in a homemade caramel sauce. Oh yeah, this is gonna be lit. And you guys, let me tell you, I promise you that Roman noodle gumbo was off the chain. I ate another bowl today and it seemed like the flavor just soaked in. And for all of you guys that would like a thicker gumbo, because I know mine wasn't really thick, that is because I wanted the juice to soak up the noodles. But anyway, you guys got to try that. All right, with that being said, thank you, all of my new subscribers and my ride or die. That's what I'm talking about. See, you need friends like that are ride or die. All right, let's get in this kitchen. Let's get ready to cook the apple pear egg rolls drizzled in a homemade caramel sauce. All right, let's go. All right, here we go. I have a half of a lemon. We're only going to use maybe a tablespoon of this, okay? Here I have a bosc pear that I cut up. I had 2 and I cut up the other one. Also, you guys, I had two envy apples and I had 3 envy apples and I cut up 2 and I ate the one, so I literally can't show you the apple. Shame on me. All right, we're going to have some ground cloves, just a pinch of that. We have apple juice, which we're going to use, but you're only going to cover the apples and the pear with the juice, just where it can exceed the apples and pears, okay? We're not going to use the whole bottle. All right, here is the apple and pears that I diced up. Okay, yeah, the apples and pears that I diced up. Can you see that? I put lemon juice on them and they're kind of turning a little brown, but that's okay. Once we cook them, and put the cinnamon and the vanilla in it, they'll be all right. Here I have orange juice. We're going to use a tablespoon of that. I have, these are vegan egg rolls. I was just looking for regular egg rolls, but when it said vegan, I just grabbed them. So we're going to use these egg rolls. We have cinnamon. We have vanilla. And this is a half a cup of sugar that I have here, granulated sugar. And I think the canola oil, that's what we're going to fry the egg rolls in, okay? So what we're going to do is take the apples, tablespoon of the orange juice, tablespoon of the lemon juice, the sugar, and put it in a pot. And we're just gonna let it cook until it gets really thick and the apples and the pears are tender. I'll come back and show you guys. Okay, I want to correct an ingredient. We're not going to use a tablespoon of the lemon juice because I put lemon juice on the pears and the apples so they wouldn't turn brown, okay? And the apple juice, we're only going to use 1/3 cup. I do not want them to cover the apple and pears all the way. So you see, it's not covering them all the way, you know, to exceed here. Just enough to where they can soak in them. All right, you see that? So we'll say 1/3 cup of the 100% apple juice. Now we're going to put this on a medium. You don't have to cover it. And we're going to cook it until the pears and the apples are tender and the juice has thickened. Okay, Royal Family, this is how you want it to look. You see that? All of the liquid is out. And of course, we're going to have to let this cool because you can't put this hot mixture in an egg roll. And also, whenever I do a video, please go down in the description box and check the ingredients, because sometimes I tweak it as I'm going. So in this instant, I did not use a 1/2 cup of granulated white sugar. I only used 1/3 cup, and I added a tablespoon of light brown sugar. Okay? So make sure you check the description box. So we're going to let this cool. But you see that? Ooh, that is going to be so good in an egg roll. So once this cool, I will come back and we'll cook these egg rolls. Okay, so the mixture have cooled. Now we're going to wrap them in the egg rolls. So we're going to take some water. We're just going to go all around. Please forgive my dry hands. I don't like putting lotion on them when I'm cooking. So we're just going to go all around the corner. And I'm going to make these like into little pockets. So I think it'll be really cool once I do the presentation. Okay. So we're going all around and wet the edges. All right, so we're going to take some of the mixture, and you want a nice full amount. And also go ahead and start turning your pot on so you can fry. This is going to be so delicious, you guys. I promise you. I've tasted it and oh my Lord. Okay, you see that? So I'm going to make these into a pocket. So what I'm going to do is pull this over, and I'm going to pull this over. And what we're going to do is make sure we pull this down. Make sure we put this down, you know, so we can tighten it up. Okay. Then we're just going to take it, roll it like this, because it's already wet, so it's going to stick. And then just roll it and roll it. You see that? That one I could have got a little tighter. Okay, let me tighten it up. There you go. We're just going to fry them. I wanted them in little pockets. You see that? Wow, it is full. All right, one more. Just in case you guys didn't get it. You know, I hate making the video so long, but I definitely want you to see. Okay, this one broke. So let's just go ahead and pull that out. And let's get another one. All right, real quickly. Water. So make sure you wet your edges. And always remember, this is going to make about 6. So if you have extra people coming, remember to double the recipe, okay? All right, let's put this in. We're just gonna put it down the center like that. Okay, let me get this, because we want some nice filling. Okay. Whoop. Trying to move a little fast. Flip it here. Flip it here. Tuck this down. Tuck this down, and always tuck it near the filling, okay? So you get a tight seal. Pull that over. And there you have it. Nice little pocket. All right, let's get these in the fryer. All right, here we go. And you want to take the pocket part and put it down. And as soon as you see them browning, then turn it over. Okay. Can you see that? Okay, when I come back, I will show you the finished product and the final presentation. Okay, Royal Family, here is the finished product and presentation of the apple pear egg rolls with a light caramel sauce. I want you guys to see this. You see the caramel sauce? Then I just sprinkle some powdered sugar on it for presentation. Great, great, great dessert. All right. Excuse my hands. I'm going to bring it up close and personal so you can see it with this awesome filling. You see that? And you see how crunchy? All right, I'm going to let you guys hear it. Listen to this. Lord have mercy. So freaking good. All right, you guys, one more video to go. If you like my content, please share, subscribe, and make sure you have your notification bell on. And until I see you again, always remember, everything we do, always put God first. God bless you. I'll see you soon. Yummy. Oh, my Lord.